If you've got the Sony WH-1000 XM3 and you're frustrated with the inability to connect to multiple devices, we're here to help.
Stay tuned for a real conversation. So first off, what does it mean connecting to multiple devices? Well, assuming you've gone through the pairing process for all the devices you want to use your headphones with, there are a number of variants in terms of connecting to multiple devices.
The first is the PlayPauseBerry. Devices like Bose, Sennheiser's PXE series, and the H9Is from Bang & Olufsen can stay connected to multiple devices and switch on the fly. Pause music on the one device and hit play on the other. The headphones switch seamlessly between the two. In 2020, it's sad that not many other devices are doing this.
Yeah. And then you have the I can only connect to one device at a time series of devices. So you have the Apple AirPods, for example, the Sony WH-1000 XM3. So what you need to do with these devices is, once they're connected to, say, your phone, and you want to connect from your laptop, you have to go to the Bluetooth menu in your laptop, select the device, and then it switches from your phone to your laptop. Annoying, but it still works.
Then you have the WH-1000 XM3. I can only connect to one device. Booyah! So here are a couple options for you.
To start off with, maybe you can start up these headphones in pairing mode. So what you need to do is, every time you switch them on, instead of just turning them on, you turn them on and keep the button pressed so it goes into pairing. And then depending on which device you want to use, your phone or your laptop, you connect to the headphones. So a good option if you're single and ready to mingle and looking for a connection. Takes a few seconds, but it works every time. And then there is NFC. If you're single and ready to mingle and looking for a connection, but you want to touch your headphones to the phone or other device, that helps. So you need to start in pairing mode, but you can use an NFC tag to pair them instantly. Something to note, it only works with cheap Android devices.
And Pixels. Or you could always connect to your most frequently used device wirelessly and use the cables for the rest of your devices. It's a good option if your second device is a laptop.
Or a cheap Android phone.
Not Pixels. In extremely specific conditions, you'll be able to connect the headphones to a particular device for calls only and the other for music. If terms like HFP, HSP, A2DP get you excited, wait no more. Go read the official Sony manual.
And if you choose to click on the link, remember, it does not help our channel at all. But there are some other links you can click on to support our channel. Do consider that. It helps us to make more free content for you guys.
And finally, if you're an influencer, I don't know, with a small YouTube channel, do consider subscribing to ours. You can use different headphones for different devices.
So what you're saying is if enough people subscribe and we become too big, we're not an influencer. Consider it only works for small influencers.
It only works with small influencers. So if you have anything above 10,000 subscribers, this doesn't work.
Oh no, don't get us to 10,000.
No, don't. Just keep subscribing till we hit 99999.
Cool.
Or the 2 main lines. Yeah.
You've been looking for a connection with your Sony WH-1000 XM3.
And we've been DHRME.